Menta ke sini ngilik sao yo champion
Mustar jengi lo poi kena katong deh.
yo banyak air rank bagi nong South jongka KTM jongka national senan ke India bro kawai.
Very proud, man.
How do you feel about Joe's win, bro?
Good.
Nangta.
Shisha.
Wah, abang tahu no tu champion ni idur na.
Hey bro, hey champion jengi.
Hip hip, hooray!
Congrats my man, congrats.
Une ude ujoben karmalki. Bana pedeng kisispa arpongut kinong syajit na kaleng kari India banyakun ha kane karis ulala banyo ya ka first runners up jongka amateur category jongka KTM Cup Season 3 kabala penlong hakari motorsports we hachenai. Ban ulapen i ka jing yakun ka bating e ban job ya ka overall championship Henry ula syarat nopat haka last lap ha away u contender.
Versus bike number 16. This is the battle that you're looking at now. Karthik is literally has to just brake very late. Put that pressure back on. Jobin is holding his line. Jobin has the fastest lap time. Jobin in bike number 16. Your race leader. We know Jobin is going to take this one. Neck and neck. Side by side. One of them is going to come around. It's going to be Jobin. Jobin is going to take the checkered flag. But who is going to take the second? In less than 2 laps to go, a new danger man appears, and his name is Jobin Karmalki. He knows he's got a task ahead of catching on Arvind. Where did Jobin start this race? He was at number 6, and now he is fighting for the podium at number 2. It's Arvind, Jobin and Gautam. It's between the three who is going to decide the race win. Has he done enough? Jobin on the outside. Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Arvind has to make that lunge. Jobin takes the lunge, but Arvind makes a lunge much longer. But Jobin is in the lead. It's the black versus the white helmet. It's one black helmet versus 2 whites there. It is all to the line. What a ride it has been. In the meantime, Lakshmipati Balaji sets the fastest lap time in the previous lap, 1:19.330. Much better lap times by the... Oh my word! Man down! Man down, so the top 3 has changed.
Let's give it up for Jobin K. Ready to? Thank you.
So menta ke sini ngilik sao yo champion. Menta ke sini ke video ke special bah. Menta ke sini menta dan bat Ryan Usham de Ujo job ya ka race job ya ka overall dari uyo first runners up de kendiat ngan cubatai mah how the race went de Ujo haka round 1 ulong baar de haka round 2 ulong beningkong de haka round 3 pada usyarat no Henry ulong beningkong. He is running for the lead, running for the win. De usyarat no apat haki tiki contenders ki belak kailang contender belak kailang de umla su ban penbek ya ka baik de ulale jerat be direct ya Ujo para ujung Henry lada syam la sya rat kum hakatu ka incident mana tu lada syarat hakatu ka por te menta la yo ban le sapo Austria yo ban page nan ka Austrian GP yo senan ban ka de ka big win na benta jong Ujo de menta kendiat ngin si yo ngau ki kitien jali jo jong Usyam na benta Ujo tong syam ong
Ngade ngamdan ni iwan keren. Kalau mustanat mustar jengi lo poi kena katong deh. Walau syarat na itu para rider na dian ro Andre melelai. Hamat siap jengi real winner di Ujo.
Da su compare am ban yangi shani khamtam shani not is jengi khamtam asalong he ba mdan hiru kene ka track mdan hiru ki racing facilities ki ba ngisu bon bang ya practice be hagi parking lot pat hasurang ba bon ki bre ki ong ma nyak khlo ai ma handai ki bon ru ki bam tip de handai mentapat long bo yo ban le snan chathie yo banyak ai rank be ki nong south chathi khamtam ki bilai mlien banyak nya bai kha track de open i pat ba ma u klem da practice than ba ka proper track udang la ban peni ka tu ja performance ka proof mo ba passion ka jong u ka la ban poi sa ka thong ban you ban poi kat ka tu ka put jong ka KTM jong ka national nan ke India berok kawai. The congratulations yo Joe. Dia mentah kandidat ru ni dan bi Ryan. Bro, how do you feel about Joe's win, bro?
Very proud le ma. Long kat muka sab la ayu blai klampen wis kene ro em la du menchai. Yo song boju. Tak kan muda ka banyak tambak. Tang bau dah banyak pat macam for granted dia kata nang push nang learn even more kau piang ba ka facility sini kaduna wala kaduna kata ru kasab jung pat company dia
Dei mo beduna kamdan senan hira kamdan senan hira kabadan ru kamdei hira ka proper track ka dita ka go-kart track pakatangi haban sir ka pisa lada lej ban ban ya practice hang tu bat ni haban lej du syukati
kata
de hopefully ngi kerman bat mafisia ru ong tu ki baya so tenat mo ya kani ka kubar te sobha banya leave ya ka daki comments ki jong fi banya well wish ya Joe 99 baja kiwi gitu ki perlok ki be le race lang badu biar participate lang badu ki nong nasyani hi kituru ki lai peni ya ka ki lai peni hi ki lai ai rank hi ndrai tambah ki 4 la pada ban possess kata ka skill kumba possess kiwi ba syaban je dah ka qualifying round na po hidukan Marshall menta Amina baru bengi
Treasurer flight dah.
Belajar
bang santai ayo
how do you feel about Joe's win, bro?
Good.
Huh?
Always.
Tak kat tas.
Yeah.
Treasurer
brother win. What do you expect, boy? What do you expect? Our brother just win, man.
So mentang ila poi ha po nong po. Te ingin haban hiar bantiet sentiu syanang ni. Ya bantiet saat teli ki sentiu na banta kitikiweki. Dos biar lang. Ye ngila poi nong po mentah ni bayayeng gini di auto. Ketete tu bukan sentiu. Oh kong, benai bukis ya. Dan yang berit. Ha? Bayam hot. Slam. Ngadan kam arteli. Masih lupa mah. Ya. Kini sentiu lah yo. Itu sial awan Nadine. Kami na parking namar pakani ka di kawan we tigi hapanya tendu ya banya tenru ti sial awan ya sakut na dumen oh peli di kang Hajong na sudah makaladan laingot sa laingot dia lang rungut pro kay in total bayalay di kidan kiwi ru kiban saya join hasilong Nia kermen bagi nya poi ha kapor ka ba biang ka bebet kana bagi nya bagi na ai ba the proper hope coming ya kitu sia jong Joe and his friend so ngila poi hang ni ka jaka kani ka arrival matray hang ni hamanya up Tarifi, how do you feel about Joe's win?
Superman Shisha resuscitated at last moment by accident.
Very unfortunate because he was leading for the win na.
Hadin pada he news about Joe 1 second at least long happy mo ya kato. At least we got second position. Someone from Shillong pada bala. Yo kala duduk kan ni ban paru.
He has proven a point na ba long he can be one of the best. Ban penkup guram yu maju ngin ai ba in pendap inde ya ka kam ka bedai penkup subha da i madam Rifi kini kibre pila asang mi thar tambah kibre jengi pat kin pat yami komno fas ngau ha am so dik dah ni ha am so kop kumar kli ha
Wa bai tol no tu champion ni idur na.
A few moments later.
Nya kang apa istong pai.
Dia dengan itu orang kata ya.
Ti bring kepiai dah.
Day. Wan ni ajan. Ti lawan. Abdan apa ya jingkang? Ti hey bro. Saya champion jengi. Wuluk aja.
Oh champion. Hip hip. Hooray.
Tak ini bro. Congrats my man, congrats my man. Sim. Corner king bro, corner king. Yee! Congrats.
For winning. Nice.
Oh. Melay. It's just a flower, bro.
Not your heart.
Ni picky medal.
Agak kop main imut saya mentam membaca syabat baik.
Congrats. Maju.
Hey, thanks.
Sim bat maju. Bro. Tia, kau nak visa kau kajar ni jong fiang tia.
So biang ile bro tambah ani kampai ke masuk nama suam strong dah.
Hai. Sabar.
Fair condition.
Gade. At least pat le ama. You guys have given your best shot. Ma.
At least now one try. This is my friend.
Okay. Congrats bro.
Thanks man.
Congrats bro. Welcome home. So kini kiwi ba ili kai lang mati sia kini na Assam. What is June 99?
Are you Asian man athlete?
The corner king bro. Ni biasa sendur ni airport bro boleh cilik telim tu. Ini lihat so casual bro. Ni shisha mah. Ni memtip kat no ka jingkemen ka jingi. Ni bro.
Subang gawe ro.
Bro, melele ta.
Nga have fun amat sih.
I know man bong shisha. Ipi tu tang career space ka career craft bro khat ka tip top ha tang ba. Jangan aku tu mah. Tu. Tuan sini dia tak. Ada mga nikong interview. Memang ating interview aku mungkin press ngan syukran nam tu. Tu YouTube bang. Kay ka balong very challenging bahaya meh permemelit cete. Nado kapisa, nado ka mentality ru kam jimut jiperkat ka mindset. Tada physical kay balong demanding bahamot in what kind of way?
Physically demanding ama. Ka mostly di stamina man. Bukan mama ka cepat lah.
Gade. Kajing set cete kala sujet sebab pula.
Pelat tu ngiap kayak bedong kerja jadi.
Okay.
Boost energy kandet.
Jadi so kum nampak bagi ada top 3 top 5 contenders ki bayar dan biban meh side by side. Almost the same strength kan chong na.
Almost the same tambah after one race ngalah kam stuk na. Ngalah kam suk. Long ngalah kam suk, kam yuk ke pace. Kau ba ngalong consistent na ka speed jong. Long kalap time jong ngalong consistent.
Tambah bro every round ngai if set fastest lap baik. Really nice bro. Kato kapan if ba ujo jingi udi day sisa tau senarum day tang tau June 99 biasa bagi beri Instagram. Udi betau ujo balong baik. Unda lek ki national event gum gini ki national competition he really proves his point. Ani benut sisa ma ba you didn't get that overall win. But then bro
tu long tu ba ternak yang arum dia boleh international.
Ngate. But then see
he's a good friend of mine only.
Hi. He really wants it so bad for the first place because kaya tai fast ya.
Whoever wins that one
wins all.
Goes to Australia.
Takada kan si yo penman ni ai. Yo penman di mana dia ni kambanai ai.
Yo they live news nam.
Ni bro. But I'm really glad man. Yo kendu yo jong u ai. Yo jong u dan ni Pedrosa. Ubay Reyes lang hakapor jong u. Jorge Lorenzo. Ini si baik.
Ini fiklet beli ni.
Mem ngin hang ni ru kan beli minyak nya.
Ni kat tu support yang stay.
Ni.
Tahu kamu qualify.
Kasar jung ni kan ke bai jus. Ayo sengawa ya tu video tu power drift. Aye.
Kau kelang long asuhan nama beliau lala ni don lengot.
What's one
thing support yang ni siapa?
Aku dah ngi yo bangin ya qualifier andai masal jangi pa yo qualifier long yo mesin dah.
Ni mendai tang bu.
Long ba hawat nama ni tentang karis kalau nakajong jong ka GTRM. Menta pa long lada umasta jangi pat 99 yo lat ban qualify ni hun mesin nama badi tingri bentai baret. Lat ban penhe ta. Tingi pa ai mesin yo umasta mong in kwa ba untuk mesin untuk chance ni apa push back nama beliau kat komputer isto baik kano bakala kano pihak ni ai mesin baik.
Kadai.
Kapasiti nama para kasih mangi te nangi ai mesin mana ai mesin dekat tai.
Ko bas tenat pa bakalong ba fisya fialet kam syukur dah jing chong shit. It really ends up in a very beneficial way lah. If you it benefits you in a different way. And yeah. This is like a very first step to greatness. Congratulations. Wah, you guys did good.
Support jenis sekarang abas sama yang Song Shuki lawan Ayom layarap buon ha.
Kila ale abik.
Live sim ha. Nga o ka ka res kian se labet. Tinggal ambil sini saya kalau air apa ya, kadang malah bet mah, salah bet. Ende long tu kom tahu wasngi.
Kalau ajudan yang empat haka bentan joki tu kiris bah kri jong memela perkat bi ba bang ban give up rune bahkan long kan tak doubt kan negativity kem tu.
Ban give up tem dan dah semua. Ni ban job deh kalau ada bet ada pesan nak ya. Nama
kalau
last race bang ada pas tu di bro fight. Ngalah lead tu bang let's go Austria direct bet. Suddenly
even mengiru man.
Untuk berba.
La jenang rendang meh tu kepor menang le isu dan golf lian latan rumlong.
Tanah ngiru tu berba balong bakala tu biu dosam. Dalong no ngiri lep nan bangi jong ru. Baulim untuk tak bolong last ending back. Ukhlem no untuk long idan am sim sukta. Ali seorang tu lada ukhlem hibe de ladiru long kam supaya. Long ngila ibe by face to face ba kumno one back ni rider ngi sto by lada kan andai kena tikinu pro itep ba kumno banyak ya kabat. Kumno ban findet ya kalan jong. Ali sto one minadien umlak kan tu ke break just head. De long kata jingya bakala long im yathora. Tambah list pa long kom ta pa ni jongi pa long standing back ya kara ide bukan. Ni standing back ya kara dia. Nama Hasnong kiway karena dia kemapo selong inang la banyak kan para main itu. Hasnong kiway tangga ketian kemudian besok mobil kemain bakal kan hablong jenis
Kap control. Gede. Oh kata te no doubt kamen sim te nak tang mangar kinisia kila benur dah ngatrai nga. Dera. Ni gay even mengiru kumtai mentality jong meh atau kapor belasong let's go Austria ngiru. Oh gila asu abai amba. Last lap kalau thor and then last lap banyi ke checkered flag ban cross them very unfortunate lah. So I think it's high time member menur naki hayam let's say ka government anybody kimki community kamtam ngibun ham kini ki biker community and ba registered ban ka sarkar kum tu long kumta kan ban promote ya ka racing ong se ka racing jungi kai ka bala pen poi ofisia saduk kani kaput kata ka digajingi ijo nga kan kari bet ngiyo ya ka sok kata ka ja experience ha parking lot practice kum tu but ngili ro hi track bam dadai ai tai proper bike track di go kart track tari bered ha telong just with all that compare begiti kena na station sound day itu kila ya daka am they at least if they are amateur also they have experience track riding am
jadi belanya betul
kata kan
kom belanya ni sini kalau kumbuhi selangi sulit tang arsni practice track itu ni lawan job
tak kan
company kan bagi nak di sini ki dream
dan ka potential ki dan everything laduk ka mindset everything
best track
ni lack facilities jong mah
at least ni dayo tang ka track wa kamu pembiang tahun ni hat taruh 2 km race track na 1.5 km race track
as long as it's a proper in a well controlled environment kan kanang bahal mo dadan any kind of euro long ngi laban 100% long can improve ka skills ngi day by day dera te session congratulations mo
Thank you.
Congratulations for trying bro, congratulations for trying your best. You need big congratulations ya ka achievement mo. Yes
hablik professional category
next day pala hablik pro tikina bye bro, see you in Mauyong mo ila apoy hapo Mauyong manta mlele kom ni ka best hapo camera pa meo mam kwa yang wat
hang tu ta apa mana
mentang ngili yang ting nyepes na reaction jang kiti wiki dos ki blai up hang the come on man, the champion is here. Tom mlele ka thaba ka flash tang batama kan clear ka video. Ngarawan nak kailang dia.
Film bro.
Ya, ni guy, international guy.
lele
Good.
Oh, yang shoulder to shoulder. But kapo mi tadi break ni. Oh, le tu tak last kita yang overship ni guys, break slam makan sucks mission dia. Sana full throttle bet. Oh, pun ai bet. Hitar na siya bet tu ni. Mas nap tu am, drop no foot dia ai bet third tak atau kena ke bait. Oh, si betul exit bong ka jan rak tayar tu eh. Bye bye, ngasih bye bye, let's go Austria. I know, bet apa sanpo mitar, sanpo, bet. Belum lah.
Dia gini dua sementara. Talk to the camera, bro. How do you feel about Joe's win?
I'm feeling like very nice about it, and congratulations Joe on winning the race. Very happy about it. Yeah.
Okay. Hey Farouk, what do you have to say about Joe's first runners up?
I feel great after meeting him, after talking to him. He's our pro from Shillong. All the best for his next races. That's
certified pro man now. Certified.
Yes, certified.
Certified and licensed pro.
He's also a pro.
Em ta kain dia mentah kini siar ngun di Nirbochil Akai nationals, and even this guy also. So this guy is just getting started and mentah. Kemana?
One big championship ke dia ni.
One make championship, yes. So kemudian kata badi dah kajuk ka you, dah kajuk ka.
Opportunity.
Yeah, opportunity.
Amut tabak kadi dah kajuk ka.
Parang kita Red Bull Rookie Cup kita one big championship.
Mentang iyo ya ka jing pen kup buram ya Ujo 99. Omastar ka Shillong. Tapti se. Next to crown. King jingi. Tapti se. Oh kiti mobile tu le. Ta ya. Congratulations on camera.
Gulai. Thank you. Gulai. Next month.
Where's your 500?
Tahu last congratulations bro. Keti kumlak ba pen to. To mo sa rest well. Saya kenduk biang. La shy sini.
First time pa kayo ta.
Ram le. Ta bye. Chan.
Sarnak ni.